How to install PHPauction from Fantastico. This tutorial assumes you've already launched the Fantastico application. Now let's learn how to install PHPauction. Click the PHPauction link here. This is the PHPauction installation screen. PHPauction is a web-based auction system featuring email notification of bids, attachments, reserve price, minimum bids, standard and Dutch auctions, bid history, send auction to a friend, highest bids, and more. Click the new installation link here. Enter the name of the directory you want to install in, or leave this field blank for installation in the root directory. Enter an admin username and password in the following boxes. Then enter an admin email address. When ready, click here to install. Click here to finish the installation. That's it! PHPauction has been successfully installed in your account and is ready for you to start configuring it. Click here to log into your new installation. Log in using the admin username and password you assigned during installation. Your new installation is now listed here on the script's homepage. From here you can visit the site by clicking here, or remove the script from your account by clicking here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install PHPauction to your account from within Fantastico. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.